everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. It's Celestia and thank you so much for stopping by. So outside of A Crafter's Story, which is my YouTube channel of course, I have an Etsy store called CWS Art and Prints, and in the last few months I've been working on a stationery kit. So using some of my art and digital and painted and all different things. So I wanted to start this year off with a giveaway, and so there are 44 pieces, individual pieces in this stationery kit, craft kit, whatever you are going to use it for, and I want to do a giveaway. So let me, as I'm talking, go through all the little bits and pieces that are in there. So starting off with a tassel and a bookmark, that's in there. I have a there are different leads in there, some multicolors in the pencil. I also have 1, 2, and 3 tags, so those are going to be in there. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 label stickers. These are stickers, they're going to be in there. And then I have 3 little cards. Now I haven't in this, because this is not packaged, I haven't folded them yet, but it's one little 3 by 3 inch card. There's another one, and they all have little envelopes. There is a pen, a marker, fine line marker. I'm going to put in 6 of my printed washi strips. 1, 2, 3, and they're sticking together. 4, 5, 6. So there are washi strips in the kit. Let me see if I can scoot some stuff. And I have one little art print as well. That's in a protective, I think that's upside down this way, an art print that you can frame, that's in there as well. Then I have 3 sheets of craft paper. So you've got 1, 2, 3 sheets of craft paper that you're going to be able to work with. And I had those printed by my print shop, my local print shop, because so that you can collage with them. My printer doesn't, the ink smudges, so I had those printed. And then 2 coloring in pages. These measure, I think, 8.5 by 5.5, as do the craft pages. So those 2 are in there. And then I have 9. I think I'm going to have to just throw this out on the side. 9 of these word stickers. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh sorry, 7, that was a message that came through, I apologize, 8, and something sticking, 9. So 9 word stickers as well, and it says wonder, blessed, care, grace, grateful, joyful, dream, imagine, and hope. I've also added in some string, so you've got string for your tags, some string, and I just think these are fun. These giant paper clips, some ribbon as well, and a cute little smiley charm. And then lastly, I have some of these little note cards with lines on them. So 44 pieces in total. This is a bit of a mess on my desk now, and I package everything individually, so you'll know exactly what it is that you're pulling out of the envelope when it arrives. So there will be your extra treasures, which is the pens and so on, the washi strips, the note cards, the little greeting cards, which will be folded with their envelopes. Here are all the stickers, the tags, the coloring pages, And I think I also, with the colouring pages, I put the craft pages and then your art print and a thank you note. And so if you are interested, please leave a yes please, or please add me, or just your whatever you would like to put in the comments below to tell me that you are interested. And then on January 31st I will do a drawing to see who wins this kit. So I'm excited about it. Good luck. Please let me know in the comments, perhaps if you just want to leave a yes please or a little comment. I will know by the comment that you are interested in the drawing. Okay, well, I hope you are as excited to receive this if you win it as I am to give it to you, and I will see you next time. Bye.